Welcome to a new vlog. After a week with friends and family in Skåne, we set sail for Denmark and arrive at one of our favorite harbors of the entire summer. This is Taarbæk.
Okay, hello baby. Are you happy?
Happy. We're sailing in
3 meters per second. What's that? 6 knots?
6 knots.
We're doing 2 knots, 2.3 knots boat speed. But we have a really short sail. We have 5 nautical miles to Taarbæk, but it's so lovely. And we have the wind in our back and sunshine. It feels fantastic. Tomorrow we're going to go to Bakken. It's like an amusement park.
Now we're in Taarbæk, a beautiful harbor, small harbor, but really cozy. So we're gonna take a stroll and just look around and be here for 2 days.
Hello.
Hello.
Dinner in Taarbæk.
Taarbæk.
The kids are sleeping.
Isabel made her own pizza in the air fryer. I just had a evening swim just here, the other side of the pier, and the water here and the temperature and everything. It's one of the best swims I ever had. I love this place.
Yeah, it's something special about this place.
Yeah.
Good morning. I bought this magazine 2 weeks ago, crossword magazine, and I said to myself, this vacation I'm gonna sit all by myself, do some crosswords, and finally I picked it up. I'm not all by myself, but it's you have to lower the expectations maybe. But it's nice morning, and today we are doing Bakken, the amusement park. And yesterday we went for a walk here in Taarbæk. Very cozy town, not very much like restaurants and stuff, but it's we didn't need it because we did our own pizzas in the air fryer yesterday. It was nice.
You're going in the car.
On our way to Bakken.
That'd be alarm light.
Exciting.
That'd be alarm light.
Are you excited? He's excited. We just bought ourselves some iced coffee.
Har du väl haft någon smak på det?
Nej.
Vill du åka där? without an egg.
Go like that.
What's your thought on the day?
Amazing day. Amazing harbor, amazing wife, amazing kids, amazing boat.
What do you think about Bakken?
It was really fun. It was really fun to see Walter so happy.
And what's the plan for tomorrow?
Oh, that's a fun one. We're going straight into Copenhagen, into either Kristianshamn or Nyhamn. It's gonna be fun visiting Copenhagen, see what we can do.
Yeah. I promised Walter that we will visit a Lego store. I think I've been to one before.
Okay.
In Copenhagen. So hopefully it still exists and hopefully I'm right. But I told him they have this store with Lego all over. And you can buy it like weight, like you pick weight.
Okay.
Yeah.
We will see tomorrow.
Yeah.
Take a shot of the harbor now. It's so beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. In our next vlog we set sail for Copenhagen.